Welcome back to Codes and Coffee. Here's a quickie. It's an air filter on a 328XI.
Right there, see that?
Oh, yeah.
So now, I believe. Oh. Ah. All right, so this thing is a little flexible accordion, whatever. Right, Mikey? Really? That was easy. All right, so you remember this? You know, T25.
T25.
I think it's gonna stay there. I'm not gonna take it off completely. I still remember that guy, you know, on YouTube. You know, the guy was doing like transmission. You know, parts are missing. You know, tools are flying all over the place. I'll be right back, you know. Isn't it? Edit this. He's editing like this. No one's business. All right, so I've taken all the screws out, right, Mickey? Oh,
Voila.
okay. This stays. Isn't that interesting? Look at that. This is a built-in, a secondary. Wow, they're not playing around here. I want to make sure. Here's the. I know, it looks clean until you put it across. It's nasty. I look more nasty. Oh, look. Do I see a cigarette butt?
What? A cigarette butt in your air filter?
I'm telling you.
Jeez.
Oh, you'll find some stuff in there. Better be a triangle.
Oh, it's a triangle.
It didn't look like a triangle. Do. Remember, you gotta tuck them in. What's that guy with the short shirt? You know, he's selling untuck it this, untuck shirts. The shirts untuck it. You know, don't tuck your shirts. You know, he's selling these shirts. Apparently, the guy's a genius. He designed it himself.
Yeah.
So instead of like taking up the shirts all the way down, he made it like a design, like a short. Untuck it. Don't tuck it in.
Oh,
right?
yes.
So,
I remember that.
You know, he's on the TV. He's just like bragging about it, this and that. I go, and that's the invention? Really? What'd you?
Never have to tuck in your shirt.
You want to tuck it one day, you cut it in half and go, that's it? You know, it's like your jeans, you know, too long, whatever, you just chopped it off. I'm tucking my shirts. All right, this is, I think we're going to stay like this. That's just the way it is. I'm trying to mimic the, all right, so let's see how this guy's go back in again. It's like a sandwich. This is good. Let's see which side goes where, Mikey. I like this side here. This is that side there. Make sure it fits. Looking pretty good so far. So now let's reset the lights. And we have a very clean bench today. Everything's.
It's been a busy day.
La 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 la. Taking our time here. I like Torx because even if you're in a bad angle, he still grabs it and goes, Mikey. Look, I go like sideways, it still grabs it. All right. Happy. Maybe a little bit more here, just to be on the safe side. All right. Now we're nitpicking here. Okay, so we're just gonna go like this. Now this, something happened here, Mikey. I don't know, that's not how it's supposed to be. I saw that, but it's broken. That's not how. We didn't do anything with that. Now, I got a feeling like there has to be something. See this little thing?
Yep.
There's got to be some kind of a ball that's sitting right here that guides this.
Oh yeah, you can see
Either when
the
I
resin.
pulled this, it fell down in there, or this thing just never had one. So we need to look down below and see. I know what it looks like, so let's just peek at it. This car has been, yeesh. Okay, I don't see no missing here. I don't see no missing there. I don't see no rubber ball here, rubber ball there. Oh, what's this? Nope.
False alarm.
What we're gonna be careful on his. We need to make sure that this thing fits in here, Mikey. Nice. Is it gonna fit right away, or is it gonna be a bitch? I'm just slowly guiding this in. And this thing is gonna fit like this, Mikey. It's gonna just. No, the bottom one didn't fit. I think you gotta take this off, but I'm just trying not to, you know.
Right. You want to spray it up a little?
It's already sprayed. It's just, I don't think it ever fit before. This has to have been off. This is misshapen. This should just follow, and it's not. And now I'm trying to. All right, so let's just pay attention here. Let's make sure that we got at least this guy is in, right? Just trying to very gently guide it in place, Mikey. And then this doohickey popped out of there. That may become an issue because I need to open this up more, I think. The guy is selling me a car, and he wants to sell me a spare key.
Wait. You need this key, don't you? $200. Wait, you paid how many thousands already for it?
What a dick. You listening to me? Piece of work, you. And I'm being nice at the moment. Okay, well, that looks pretty good. Oh, we got a customer. Hello. Hi. How are you? Not so good. Oh. I'll be right there, hon. I wanted to go out with this girl one time. She said no. Or I think she was engaged with her husband.
Oh.
She couldn't say no.
What?
Well, she cooked me apple pie instead.
Oh, oh, hey.
And I go, that doesn't make it any better. But I know it's going to go like this. Okay, that fits there fine. Now look, you see the bottom doesn't fit at all. So I'm going to just... Hey. He wants to pop out of there. Bottom one is out, Mikey. I'm going to hold it right there. Now, if this doesn't work, I'm going to take out the whole thing, okay? I don't think this has been on there for a while, Mikey. So I'm starting with the hard part first, and then I'm going back in here. This side, believe it or not, is in. Now this side, let me see, Mikey. Wow. I don't think the bottom is in, you know that?
Can you feel it with your fingers underneath?
I think so. One little bit. Maybe this is the one that's holding in here too. Look. We didn't have to take this out at all. Just that. Thank you, BMW. These you guys did something right here. Not really that misshapen, right? Really? That easy? Whatever.
Cheese, and there you go. Wow.
Cheese and crackers.
Cheese and crackers. No, cheese and rice.
Cheese and rice.
Cheese and rice.
Jesus Christ. Take all the light from there. Oh, good. Oh, yeah. Come on, you little bugger. You know where you want to go. And this one. Okay. Look at that sucker pull, huh? He popped out of there again.
Oh,
it's just the way it is. It is just a poor ass BMW, man. And if you guys are interested in either this car or that car, see, there's a BMW
so this
here.
This is a 08
328xi
328xi
versus look, 09 Mercedes.
Or 09 Mercedes.
What was that? C350.
Yeah, C350.
I highly recommend get the white one.
Or what the heck is over there? There's an Audi over there.
No, out of the whole three, get the Mercedes. Stay away from the others. Especially this plastic crap stuff. Look at this. Hey. You know, look, I just did all this for nothing.
Popped out again.
Problem is, you know that rubber feet that is missing?
Yeah.
It's preventing us from a right
Right,
angle.
it keeps it at a certain height.
So I'm sorry to say, but we're just chasing our tail here. Did we change this air filter? Yes, we did.
Yes,
Did we just put these stupid screws back on? I think we should. The BMWs were great cars back in the 80s. 70s, 80s, I had a couple of them, and I was really impressed. These guys, please stay the hell away from these, man.
Well, I remember over a decade ago when I had my 97 318i. I had no problems with it.
And it's not supposed to be this way. I mean, it
No.
should be as good as at least Mercedes. How's that?
That's true.
And is it? And now I gotta chase this thing now. This will never sit here because that rubber feet is missing. Okay, that's how important that rubber feet is. It was never there, and I'm trying to put it in, and these are too weak to hold and do what needs to be done. It's holding right here. It's just not going. Gives you that sinking feeling, you know.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, there you go, guys. This is 2008. Where is it? There it is. 2008 BMW quick but very complex air filter change. Hope you enjoyed it. It was fun.
So we gotta let this lady's car. We can leave it right there. It's not hurting us.
Yeah, it's pretty good. All right. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, favorite, share, and like always,
But don't like this one.
don't like this one.
Don't like this one. Come
Like
here. I like
this
this one. This one bueno. This one
C350
no bueno.
Mercedes.
And just don't buy that either.
And this one right here?
Just don't do it.
Oh, all right. On to the next.